Our kidneys are one of the most vital organs in our body. They are responsible for filtering waste products from our blood and regulating our body's fluid levels. However, many of us take our kidneys for granted and often ignore warning signs that they might be in danger. Kidney disease is a serious condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is important to pay attention to our bodies and recognize any signs that our kidneys may be in danger. Here are 8 signs to look out for. Number 1. Changes in urination patterns. Our kidneys are responsible for removing waste and excess fluid from the blood. Changes in urination patterns can be a warning sign that our kidneys are in danger. One of the most common changes is a decrease in the amount of urine produced, which can indicate a decrease in kidney function. This can be caused by a variety of factors, such as dehydration, infection, or damage to the kidneys themselves. On the other hand, an increase in the frequency of urination can also be a sign of kidney trouble. This can be a result of the kidneys trying to compensate for their decreased function by producing more urine. Additionally, changes in the color and smell of urine can also be indicators of kidney problems. Darker urine may suggest dehydration, while cloudy or foul-smelling urine can be a sign of infection or a buildup of toxins in the body. It is important to pay attention to these changes in urination patterns and seek medical attention. Number 2. High blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, occurs when the force of blood against the walls of the arteries is consistently higher than normal, putting extra strain on the heart and blood vessels. High blood pressure is not just a risk factor for heart disease, but it can also indicate that our kidneys are in danger. The kidneys are responsible for filtering and rely on a healthy blood flow to function properly. When blood pressure is high, it can damage the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter effectively. Over time, this can lead to kidney disease, where the kidneys are no longer able to perform their vital functions. Therefore, if left untreated, high blood pressure can have serious consequences for our kidney health. It is crucial to monitor and manage our blood pressure levels to protect the health of our kidneys. Enjoying the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our future uploads. Number 3. Swelling in the lower body. Swelling in the legs, ankles, and feet can be a sign of a serious health issue, particularly when it comes to our kidneys. When the kidneys are not functioning properly, excess fluid can build up in the body, leading to swelling in the lower extremities. This swelling, also known as edema, is often a result of a condition called nephrotic syndrome, which is characterized by damage to the small blood vessels in the kidneys. This damage can be caused by a variety of factors, including high blood pressure, diabetes, and certain medications. When the kidneys are unable to filter out excess fluid, it can accumulate in the legs, ankles, and feet, causing them to swell. This swelling can be uncomfortable and even painful, making it difficult to walk or stand for long periods of time. If left untreated, it can also lead to serious complications, and it is a warning sign that our kidneys are in danger. Number 4. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is a common symptom that can indicate a variety of health issues. However, it can also be a warning sign that our kidneys are in danger. The kidneys are vital organs responsible for regulating blood pressure, as well as producing hormones that help with red blood cell production. When the kidneys are not functioning properly, excess fluid can build up in the body. This can cause shortness of breath as the excess fluid puts pressure on the lungs, making it difficult to breathe. Additionally, kidney failure can also lead to anemia, a condition where there is a decrease in red blood cells, resulting in a decrease in oxygen supply to the body and lungs. Therefore, if you experience persistent shortness of breath, it is crucial to get your kidneys checked as it could be a sign of underlying kidney disease. Early detection and treatment of kidney disease can help prevent further damage. Number 5. Difficulty in sleeping. Difficulty in sleeping is a sign that your kidneys are in danger. Our kidneys produce hormones that regulate blood pressure and maintain the balance of electrolytes in our body. When our kidneys are not functioning properly, it can lead to symptoms such as difficulty in sleeping. This is because our kidneys play a crucial role in regulating the levels of melatonin, a hormone that helps us sleep. When our kidneys are in danger, they may not be able to produce enough melatonin, resulting in disrupted sleep patterns. Additionally, kidney disease can also lead to an imbalance in electrolytes, which can cause muscle cramps and restless leg syndrome, making it difficult to fall and stay asleep. Therefore, if you are experiencing difficulty in sleeping, it is important to consult a doctor and get your kidney function checked to ensure their health and prevent any potential dangers. Number 6. Bitter and metallic taste in the mouth. The metallic taste in the mouth is often described as a bitter or coppery sensation that can linger even after eating or drinking. This unpleasant taste can be a warning sign that our kidneys are in danger. Unhealthy kidneys can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in the body, which can result in a metallic taste in the mouth, as the excess waste and toxins can alter the pH balance and taste receptors in our mouth. Kidney problems can also cause a decrease in saliva production, leading to a dry mouth and a metallic taste. If left untreated, kidney disease can progress and cause further complications. If you are facing a metallic or bitter taste in your mouth, it is a clear sign that your kidneys are in danger. Do not ignore these signs and seek medical attention before it's too late. Number 7. Muscle cramps. Muscle cramps are a common occurrence that many people experience from time to time. While they are often seen as a minor inconvenience, they can actually be a warning sign that our kidneys may be in danger. Toxins in the body can cause imbalances in electrolyte levels, such as potassium and magnesium, which are crucial for proper muscle function. Calcium levels that are too low or phosphorus levels that are not controlled can contribute to muscle cramps. Not enough potassium in your blood can cause muscle pain and heart palpitations. However, too much potassium can be life-threatening. Kidney disease can also lead to anemia, which can cause muscle weakness. Dehydration, which is a common cause of muscle cramps, can put added strain on the kidneys as they work to conserve water. Therefore, experiencing frequent muscle cramps may be a sign that our kidneys are not functioning at their optimal level and could potentially be in danger. Number 8. Dry and itchy skin. Dry and itchy skin is often treated as a common skin issue that can be easily treated with moisturizers and lotions. However, what many people do not realize is that itchy skin can also be an early sign of kidney failure. It can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body. This can cause the skin to become dry and itchy, as the body tries to eliminate the toxins through the skin. Additionally, kidney failure can also lead to an imbalance of minerals in the body, such as calcium and phosphorus, which can further contribute to dry and itchy skin. Therefore, if you notice persistent dryness and itchiness of the skin, it is important to consult a doctor and get your kidney function checked. In conclusion, our kidneys are crucial for maintaining our overall health and well-being. It is important to pay attention to any changes in our body and to seek medical attention if we experience any of these signs. Early detection and treatment can help prevent further damage to our kidneys and improve our overall health. So, don't ignore these warning signs and take care of your kidneys.